back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're cooking up a delicious, creamy chicken Marsala pasta. Now this one-pot meal is super easy to make, and you can make it in your Instapot or your Ninja Foodi. So are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Let's get started by hitting that sear saute button and letting that get all nice and hot, which I've already done, and it's nice and hot. Go ahead and throw in your butter, and let's get it all melted and bubbly. Get one shallot, dice it up, and throw it in there. We're gonna cook that for about 3 minutes. Go ahead and add our mushrooms as well. On Facebook, we have the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. It's one of our group pages. Come over and check it out. Share your recipe ideas and pictures and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and add the chicken. And put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now let's cook that just till it starts to turn white. Some serious good smells going on in here right now.
Yes, it is.
All right, that's the color you want right there. Not fully cooked, still a little pink. The pressure cooking is going to take care of the rest. Go ahead and drop in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Let's give that a stir. And 1½ cups of Marsala wine. Now go ahead and scrape the bottle. Now go ahead and scrape the bottom. You know, deglaze the pot. Now we're gonna let this come to a simmer. See how it's starting to bubble? We're gonna let it cook for about another minute. Now go ahead and add 2½ cups of chicken broth. Give it a stir. Now what kind of pasta you wanna use is up to you. I like Bowtie pasta. Or the mini Bowtie pasta. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to say that. I don't even know how to say that. So we're gonna call them mini Bowties. You can use any kind of pasta you want though. Just take the box, pour it in. All right, go ahead and just push the pasta down until it's in the liquid real good. Don't stir it though. It's okay if it's not completely submerged. Just get it down as good as you can. Now put your pressure lid on, put it on seal, and pressure cook for 6 minutes. All right, the timer's gone off. Let's do a quick release. Woo! As your pressure's releasing, go ahead and get 1 cup of grated Parmesan, ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, and get out your sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going with the julienne cut smoked ones. They make the Marsala taste amazing. Finally, the red pins dropped. Feels like you're standing here forever. I know it's only been about 3 minutes, but geez. Go ahead and remove that lid. Let's give it a good stir. All right, let's pour that heavy whipping cream in. That's gonna thicken up the sauce. Put in that cup of Parmesan. Go ahead and drop in that whole bag, or if you're using a jar, use the 7-ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes. Yay, color. Give it a good stir. Now we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and thicken up. Then we're gonna plate it up and eat it up. All right, we've let it set for 5 minutes. Let's give it another stir. That's looking delicious. Now my wife likes it a little saucier, as you probably know from other videos. So at this point, add another 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream and some more Parmesan cheese. I used fresh grated earlier, now I'm using a little of this. Already dumped in another 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Get a little saucier. See how that's all nice and thick on there? It looks good. All right, for just a little extra color, I'm just gonna drop in a little bell pepper in there. You know I like my food colorful. Look at that, doesn't that look delicious? Now the most important part, how does it taste? Get a little sun-dried tomato and mushroom, a little piece of chicken in there. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Oh, there's the taste of the wine, the twang, it's so good. Sun-dried tomato, a little smoky. Chicken super tender, you get the earthiness of the mushrooms. Wow. Okay, I now have a new favorite pasta dish. This is fantastic. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.
Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.